like a list. Shawty know me, but with a
Back it up, back it up, back it up. Rack it up, rack it up, rack it up. Stack it up, stack it up.
I don't even know what song that is.
It's a song, it exists.
Huh?
It's a song, it definitely exists.
I know, I just don't know.
We definitely weren't the first to come up with that. Stack it up, stack it up, stack it up. That's kind of a tongue twister.
Check it up.
You're gonna be part of my video.
I'm gonna.
Yep.
Why?
Because you're talking.
Hope someone pisses me off so I can give them attitude.
Hope someone flags my video. You can't flag a video like this. This is so peaceful.
Are you recording?
Yeah. It's not coming out as pretty. I gotta take more of this off then.
I think this cucumber's rotten.
I always wonder, why can't left-handed people use these scissors? Like, isn't it? Is it really that hard?
No, they're just being petty.
Yeah. Should I cut this off? All of it? Does it add balance?
Grapes add balance to my salad. Oh, that was delightful.
This is looking like a bald mane. Should I just take off? I think what I need to
I
do
told
is...
you not to cut it.
It's gonna grow back. I'm just cleaning it up. I need to expose...
You didn't need to get cleaned up.
I think it did.
Fix something that's not broken. It's quarantine time. Let it
I'm
wild
fixing to break something if you don't stop talking.
But act like you know better. I'm fixing to break something.
This thing needs balance. Like, it needs dark. It needs contrast. That's what it needs. See, it needs a path. See, I gotta get rid of this. There's a big gap in here. Like, it's kind of pointless. Sometimes in life, you gotta take risks. How are you gonna know what's on the other side?
These baby tears?
Yeah. Smells like baby's
No.
tears. Smell
No,
it.
it doesn't.
That's why it's called that.
It doesn't smell like anything.
Now it's gonna be easier to water it, fertilize it. Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just talking. Say it.
What's going on? Are you making a path?
Yeah, I'm just trying to give it some character.
What?
Should I take this off? I don't know. I feel like it gives it balance.
So what is your goal for this rock?
I want it to look like a mountain.
Oh.
For every stop, there is a go. Bezalel on the Bari show. Bari show. Okay, so we're getting somewhere, but this looks terrible. So, we're gonna hope. Oh, actually, you know what I could do? These have roots on them. I could actually plant them right back on there, where I want them, and they will reattach to the rock.
What the heck? You just cut it down to...
No, I'm saying, I made a mistake.
Wait a second. You cut this thing down, and now you're gonna put it back on because you made a mistake.
I'm putting some back, not all of them.
I like shaving your head bald. I'm like, oh, I made a mistake, and you put it back on your head.
Okay. Alright. I'll just cut this down. Yeah. I think that's what it needed, Saint. I didn't need to cut all of it off. I just need to trim it down a bit. See? It's looking better.
I don't care. I'm gonna beat my kids.
Bro, why don't you just go talk like this on your own videos?
If I just slap that ass just one time, one good job.
I don't know, man. Do I need this? I don't think I need it. I'm getting rid of it. Oh, I'm gonna get rid of most of it so that way it can still grow back. But at least I'll have an idea of what it looks like without it.
You can't do the dishes today.
Yes.
Thank you. I'm retired.
Yo, do not knock down that board, bro.
Yes, Daddy.
Don't call me that.
Okay, Daddy.
Anytime, if a girl calls you daddy, that's a red flag. And you need to get away as fast as you can. That is not going to end well for you, my friend. Daddy. Dun, 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 dun. Daddy wasn't there.
Take a lick. Lick this hard. Tastes like pussy, right?
Bro. Saint. Dead ass. Leave. Leave.
Free, do you like it?
Yeah, it's good.
Lick it again.
No.
Lick it harder.
Dude.
Just suck it. Just suck it a little more.
Saint, get out of here. Should I use what Hanny could as how I introduce all my videos? Just like how everybody has their own intro.
You just said what's good, niggas.
I could just be like, what Hanny could. Right?
White people X off real quick. Well, this is not the video for me.
So this is the final product. I revealed some of the rock that was buried inside the baby's tears and tried to get it to look a little bit more like a mountain, you know, with a peak up there. Maybe these are like trees. It's kind of rough right now. It didn't come out as I planned, but it'll grow back and we'll just move on from there. Added some, you know, variety of dense patches with thinner patches, bare patches, you know, all the things that make it look more natural, more organic, more weathered. So yeah, thank you for watching.